Part 5, Technology. Lesson 1, What is technology? Technology is the use of tools, machines, and systems to solve problems. We use technology every day, like phones, computers, and the internet. It helps us work, learn, and connect with others. Lesson 2, The Internet. The Internet is a network that connects computers around the world. You can search for information, watch videos, and talk to people. Some popular websites are Google, YouTube, and Facebook. Always be safe online and don't share private information. Lesson 3, Smartphones. A smartphone is a small computer you can carry in your pocket. You can make calls, send messages, take photos, and browse the internet. Smartphones are very useful for work and learning. Lesson 4, Computers and Laptops. A computer or laptop is a machine that helps you write, play games, and learn. You can use it to send emails, create documents, or research topics. Learning how to use a computer is important for your career. Lesson 5, Social Media. Social media allows people to share ideas and connect with others online. Popular platforms include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Be careful and respectful when using social media, as it can affect your reputation. Lesson 6, Online Learning. Technology helps us learn online. You can take courses, watch tutorials, or join discussions on websites like YouTube, Coursera, and Udemy. Learning online gives you the flexibility to study anywhere at any time. Lesson 7, Cloud Storage. Cloud storage is a place online where you can store your files. You can save documents, photos, and videos without using a computer's hard drive. Popular cloud services include Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud. Cloud storage allows you to access your files from anywhere. Lesson 8, Online Security. Online security is important to keep your information safe. Use strong passwords for your accounts. Do not share your password with anyone. Be careful of scams and never click on unknown links. Always log out of accounts when you're done. Lesson 9, Email. Email is a way to send messages through the internet. You can write, send, and receive emails. Use clear subjects for your emails. For example, meeting tomorrow or job application. Always be polite and professional in your emails. Lesson 10, Video Calls. Video calls allow you to talk to people face-to-face through your computer or phone. Apps like Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet help you connect with others. Make sure your camera and microphone work well before starting a call. Lesson 11, Digital Devices. Digital devices include smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches. These devices help you with communication, entertainment, and work. They make it easy to access information, play games, and stay connected.